Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with Elf Creations and today's video. Today we're going to be doing another woodland Christmas ornament, and we're going to be using some wood slices. Now I've got these wood slices and the other ones I'll show you later, all from Hobbycraft. I'm going to sneeze crafters, I apologise. Okay, we're going to use, on one of them we're going to use some images from this Woodland Christmas stamp set. I'm going to use the trees and I'm going to use the stag, the deer here. And on the other ones we're just going to draw on them. Now I'm going to draw on them using my ballpoint pen, and this is one of the Signo uni ball pens, and you're going to need something to do the snow. Now not everybody in the UK can get hold of Snow Writer, but you can get hold of the Uniball Signo pen in white. But for a hack, why not use a Tipp-Ex pen? This is a Tipp-Ex pen, well actually it's just called Correction pen, and this is from Poundland. You get the bottle and you get the pen for £1. So a nice little hack there if you can't get hold of the pens. So the first one I'm going to show you is we're going to draw on it, and I'm going to draw a snowflake. And you can stamp and draw anything your heart desires on this particular ornament, as long as it's in keeping with your design. And obviously, as you know, for Christmas 2018, my main tree is woodland themed, so most of the ornaments on that tree are going to be made by myself, and I do love that. I'm just drawing out my design, and on the tips of these I am going to put the correction, the Tipp-Ex. Let me zoom you in a bit. Oops, sorry crafters. Now when you're doing the inside here, don't worry about going over the lines you've already drawn, because you can go over those again. So don't worry about getting it, 100% neat and precise. You can just draw over your lines because they still show through. Okay, I'm going to leave that one to sit. And then this one we're going to draw a scene. We're going to have a tree here, and I'm just using my pen, as you can see. Then I'm going to have a lot of trees going down the side here, and I'm just going to fill in the space using the ink from the pen. And then again, I'm going to use the Tipp-Ex, and all this will become snow. And as I say, you can use the snow text, you can use the Uniball Signo pens, but these Tipp-Ex pens are a lot cheaper. And in some cases you get better coverage for your money. It's entirely your choice of how, which medium you use. And I'm just going to do some dots for snow in the air. Okay, leave that one to dry. Now on this one we're going to use the stamp set. Now I'm going to use my Onyx Black ink because I love the deep crispness of the black. We're going to stamp the trees. And then we're going to stamp the lovely little stag. then on this one I'm just going to put almost like a hint or an idea that there's snow, and then obviously snow for the dots for the snow that's falling. Now the only thing I will do with these, once they are dry, I will go over the black on the snowflake, and I will go over the white with a glitter glue. Now this is not the art glitter glue, this is just glue that has glitter in it, and this is an iridescent, and I will just paint the snow with this iridescent glue, and that will give it a nice festive Christmas sparkle. I'll just show you some of the other ones I have created already, and these are on some slightly different pieces of wood, different sizes, different shapes of snowmen, of snowflakes, even done a snowman, and I used some liquid pearl for his scarf. So different designed snowflakes, little snowmen, and I just love them. I think they're really nice, and they're going to look really nice on the back on my tree this coming festive season. Thank you very much for joining me. If you recreate this craft, and I hope you do, I want to see it. So please head over to Create at Home with G on Facebook and share your recreations. In fact, share any creation that you are doing. I want to see what you are creating for Christmas, and indeed any time of the year. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again very soon. And let me just zoom out so you can see all of those. There we go. I forgot I was zoomed in. Thank you, crafters. Take care now. Bye bye.